Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can enter dark mode on TikTok. So go to your profile on the bottom right corner and go click on the three lines on the top right corner of your screen. Go to settings and privacy, and you are just going to go down, and under content and activity there is a dark mode tab. You are just going to select that and press on the dark mode if you want to change to the dark mode. And you can also use device settings, match appearance to your device's display and brightness settings. And I have my device set to dark mode, so if I enable that, it'll still be in the dark mode. If I press light and enable the device settings, it'll go straight away to the dark mode. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!